Today we're checking out the GT350R Performance Package side skirt extensions in matte black for the 2024 and newer Ford Mustangs. If you like the way that GT350R package looks and you want an easy way to add that lower and more aggressive side profile to your car, then this is the kind of upgrade that makes a big visual difference without going too over the top. The main goal with these side skirt extensions is giving your Mustang a sharper and more planted look down the sides. They follow the rocker line and help clean up the side profile, and they add that performance build vibe without needing a full body kit. They're also a nice little bonus for real world driving because they're going to help take some of the abuse from road spray and small rocks that get kicked up along the lower doors. Since they come as a full set, you're gonna get a consistent look around the entire car, and the matte black finish works great if you want a stealthy contrast against the paint. And if you want to personalize it, matte black is also a solid base if you plan to paint match later on. Overall, this is gonna be for Mustang owners who want a cleaner and more aggressive stance and a more finished side profile without a complicated install or permanent changes to the vehicle. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting very durable ABS plastic that keeps things lightweight but still tough enough for everyday use. This matte black finish gives that factory plus look right out of the box, and ABS is going to be a great choice here because it holds its shape, it resists cracking better than a lot of cheap plastics, and it's built for the kind of temperature swings and daily driving abuse that these parts are going to see. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $100 price range for the full set. For a simple exterior change that noticeably updates the whole side profile of the car, that's a pretty fair spot to be at in my opinion. Now, when it comes to the install on these, it's going to get rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in only 1 hour of your time. So let's head on out to the shop and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Today we're going to be installing side skirt extensions on our Mustang. Let's get into it. Before we get started on installing these side skirt extensions, I would like to mention there are 3 different ways to install these. We're going to be doing one of the ways, which is just using the 3M tape that comes in the kit. You can also use the tape and the screws that come with it, or just the screws. We don't like to permanently put any holes in our vehicles if we don't have to. For the purposes of this install, we're only going to be using the tape. Now with that out of the way, you want to make sure you have the right extensions for the correct side. So the left side, we want to make sure that we have the one with the bigger fin in back, and then the one with the smaller fin is going to go in the front. So on the car, they're going to be like that. Now we're going to put on our tape on both of them. So we'll just place it like this. And we'll do the same with this one. This is probably the most annoying part of this whole install. You don't need a knife. I'm just using one because I don't have nails. All right, now that we finally have that backing off, we can place the side skirt extensions onto the vehicle. Now that you've installed both extensions on this side, repeat the same process on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the GT350R Performance Package side skirt extensions in matte black for a 2024 and up Mustang. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.